There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and said of I, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and said of I, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, and this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. My way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.
Thank you. Marty Eigen on the flute.